You have to log in. So you can do it outside and log in. They're doing it right now, so you might want to log in.
All right, good morning, everyone. If I could just have you remain on mute just for a few minutes until it's your turn. This is the 11:15 a.m. docket on September 8th, 2022 for the City of Olmos Park Municipal Court. Thank you again for joining. We're going to get started. It looks like I have everyone's name down here except one gentleman we're waiting on. All right, let's see here. All right, very good. So I'm just going to go over just a few things quickly and then we'll jump right in, okay? Just so you're aware, we are currently live streaming on YouTube, and that's in order to comply with the open courts provision of the Constitution, okay? Also on the call with us is Mr. Dixon. He is the prosecutor. You may be speaking to him. If that's the case, you will be going into a breakout room with him separately, okay? We also have two clerks from the court that will be assisting us throughout the Zoom meeting today, okay? Just real quickly, if you have not entered a plea yet, and I believe that's the case for most of you, I will be asking you how you plead on your case. You can plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you plead guilty, you're admitting guilt and you're asking the court to assess the punishment in the case. If you plead no contest, you are not admitting guilt. However, you're choosing not to contest the charges. You just want to resolve it today, okay? That would be a plea of no contest. If you do want to contest the charges, you would enter a plea of not guilty, okay? You'll then have an opportunity to visit with the prosecutor to discuss those facts that you think are in question, and thereafter you will be scheduled for a pretrial setting and then a trial setting thereafter, okay? The trials will not take place today, but we will schedule them for a later date and time, all right? You do have a right to have a jury trial. That means the case would be heard and decided by 6 citizens of Olmos Park. You can choose to waive a jury trial and instead have a trial by judge, okay? We'll discuss those options if you move forward with the not guilty plea, okay? If you want to resolve the case today and it's a moving violation, you may be eligible for the driving safety course. If you have not taken that in the last 12 months, you are allowed to take it once a year by state law, but you must have a valid Texas driver's license and insurance in your name, okay? There are court fees that must be paid, and then you will have 90 days to complete the course. It is up to you to find a course separately on your own, either in person or online. Complete the course and return your certificate and your driving record to the court, and then we can close out that case, okay? If you do not qualify for that option, you may qualify for the deferral option. It's sometimes informally called probation. It's an unsupervised probationary period anywhere from 1 day to 180 days, depending on the violation charged. There may be some conditions placed upon you, and there is a fee that must be paid. That fee varies from case to case. During the deferral period, you may be required to complete a course, maybe complete community service hours, maintain insurance, obtain a driver's license, etc. It just depends on the case charged against you, what the violation is, and then if there are some additional requirements placed upon you during that deferral time. If you are successful in complying with the terms, we close out the case at the end of the deferral period, and it will not appear as a conviction, okay? If you are here for equipment violations, maybe an expired registration, a tail light that was out, tinting that was too dark, etc., you may be eligible for a compliance dismissal. We will need proof that the items were corrected, and then the fee there is anywhere between $10 and $20, okay? If you need a payment plan, an extension of time, community service hours request, anything specific to your case, we can address that individually here in a few minutes, okay? Thank you for your patience. We're just going to take you in the order that you're on my docket. So first I have Johnny Espino. Johnny Espino Jr. You're on mute, sir?
Oh yeah, sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you?
Okay. I'm good, but I'm just really I'm taking a break at work. They didn't let me leave. I'm in
Okay,
Austin right now, so I mean I'm okay. I'm
okay.
ready.
All right, so you have a speeding charge, 40 and a 30. How do you plead?
Um, I guess guilty because I don't have a license. I'm trying to get my driver license, but
Okay.
I needed to talk. I need some help to try to assist it because it says I can't get my license, but I just sent in some papers to Austin, but it takes 5 to 6 weeks for them to get a hold of me because I'm trying to get my license. Really, I really don't want to get this on my license on my driver license no more because I'm trying to get it.
Okay,
So
so
what do you recommend?
well, let's go through them one by one. The next one is your failure to maintain insurance or financial responsibility. How do you plead on that?
I have insurance. I have insurance on that car. It had
Okay,
insurance. I just have the paper.
you have it
I
now,
could,
but you didn't have it at the time?
yeah.
Okay, how do you plead then?
For that, not guilty, I guess, or what?
Okay,
Not guilty.
driving while license suspended. How do you plead on that one?
Um, well, I'm trying to get it. It is suspended, so I mean, that's guilty.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna have you visit with the prosecutor about all three. The only thing I can tell you about your driver's license is that you need to make sure you clear all your tickets
Yeah.
anywhere that you have tickets open, okay?
Does it show that I have tickets though?
I don't
Does it
know.
show-
That's something you have to contact DPS about and see
Yeah.
what they will require of you, because they're the ones that are the licensing agency for the state. They control the driver's license, okay?
Okay.
The only thing I can help you with today is these three tickets in front of me, okay?
Okay.
The
Is there
only
any
other-
way you could lower the fees, or the prosecutor will get with me with that?
All right, he's gonna talk to you right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, you'll
Thank
click
you.
on the screen here in a few minutes to visit with him separately.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, next is Matthew Jacob Gona. Good morning,
Good morning.
Matthew. How old are you?
24.
Okay. All right, you have a charge here for possession of drug paraphernalia. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Okay. Trial by judge or trial by jury?
By jury.
Okay. Hang
And
on.
is there a chance? I'm sorry. Is there a chance to speak with the prosecutor after
Yes.
this?
I was going to give you that opportunity here in a few minutes. As soon as he's finished speaking with the other gentleman, he'll be with you next, okay?
Yeah.
All right, just hang on a few minutes and you'll go into a breakout with him separately.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next is, let's see here. Victor Ramos. Victor Manuel Ramos Jr.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Good morning. Yes, how are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Okay. All right, so you have three open cases. You have operate motor vehicle without a license plate or with only one license plate. How do you plead?
Can I have one question? What was that option? You said something about plea, now no contest?
Right, no contest means you're not admitting guilt. You just want to take care of it. You just want to resolve it.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll take,
Okay, you're just not
I'll take that
contesting it, but you're not admitting guilt. Okay, no contest
Mhm.
on that one. Failure to maintain financial responsibility or insurance. How do you plead?
that one's guilty.
Okay, and then no driver's license. How do you plead on that one?
No contest.
Okay. All right. So the license plate violation, what was going on there? You just had one plate on the car?
Yeah. It wasn't brought to my knowledge that you weren't supposed to have a license plate in your windshield. You're supposed to have it actually like outside,
Mounted.
hanged up in the bumper.
Okay.
But
Fix it?
I didn't know that. Oh yes, of course I did. That very same night I fixed that.
All right. So it's on the car properly now? One in the front,
Yes,
one in
ma'am.
the back?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you take photos of the front and rear of the vehicle and send that to the court?
Yes, ma'am. Do I have to do that right now?
No, you can do it after we get off the Zoom call. Okay.
Okay, sweet.
All right. But if that checks out, then it's a $20 fee. Okay.
Alrighty, thank you, ma'am.
All right, let's see here. And then failure to maintain financial responsibility. You didn't have it at the time?
Like what?
You didn't have insurance when
insurance?
you got stopped, right?
Oh, no, I did not.
You have it now?
Yes, yes, of course I do.
Okay, you have it now, and that's in your name?
Insurance, yes.
Okay, so you're listed on the policy, correct?
Mhm.
All right. All right, we can keep that off your record. It's $325, okay? And you have to keep insurance for 6 months. And you can
Keep
pay that
insurance.
in payments, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we would need an initial payment of $40 by next Friday, the
Mhm.
16th, okay?
Okay.
Can you do that?
All right. Yeah. Yes, I can.
Okay. All right, Myra, it's the license plate is at 10.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Ramos, it's actually $10 on the license plate. All right, so we're looking at $50 so far, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you
all
very
right.
much,
You're
ma'am.
welcome.
Mhm.
And then on the driver's license, what's the status there? Do you have one? Can you get one?
Yeah, actually, I'm in the process. All I have to do is literally just wait for my glasses, and then I can take that in-person test, and we're done.
Okay, all right, very
Mhm.
good. All right, if that's the case, then I can place you on a deferral for that one, okay?
Alrighty.
Here, so let's see, I'm gonna make that one $150.
Mhm.
All right, deferral. Also, 6 months on that, get your driver's license within the next 5 months, okay?
Alrighty.
And
Yes, ma'am.
provide proof of that, okay?
Mhm. Of course.
So a valid Texas driver's license within the next 5 months, maintain your insurance, and send us photos of the license plates, okay?
Alrighty. And then the $50 thing.
All right, so the $50 on that, and I would usually require another $40 for the driver's license. I'm just gonna make that a $20 initial payment, so you're gonna owe $70 total, okay?
Alrighty. Mhm.
Next Friday, okay?
Alrighty. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So $20 initial payment to get you started on the driver's license violation. You must get your driver's license within the next 5 months and provide us a copy. $40 initial payment on the insurance with a copy of your current insurance. Maintain
Mhm.
insurance during the 6 months and make your monthly payments. Got it?
Okay.
And photos of the license plate, front and back, and a $10 fee to close that one out.
Alrighty.
Got it?
Sounds good.
All right.
I have one question.
Okay.
About the payment.
Mhm.
How much time do I have to pay for that?
All right. So the initial payment, you're going to owe 70, right? You have until next
Mhm.
Friday, the 16th. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that for sure.
All right. So that's $70 total by the 16th. And then the
Okay.
other ones, you'll be given a payment plan, okay?
Alrighty.
So you just need to make your
Okay.
monthly payments, stay on top of it, make sure you're making those to stay current. Got it?
Alrighty.
All right, so you'll need to email us that information and then stop by next Friday to make that payment in person, okay?
In person. Alrighty. Sounds good, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, have a great day. Good luck.
You too. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, and then we have Angelo Valdivia. Or
Yes, Your Honor.
is that you, sir? It says Martin.
Yes, I'm sorry. That was my dad. He was the last
Oh.
one.
That's okay. All right, so Angelo Marcelino Valdivia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and how old are you?
I am 19, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let's see here. You have a charge for operating a motor vehicle without a license plate or with only one license plate. How do you plead on that case?
Guilty, Your Honor.
All right, did you get it fixed by any chance?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, so now you have, was it one was missing? Was that the case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now you have a license plate properly mounted in the front and rear of the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and have you provided copies of that to us already?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
All right. Myra, do we have that by any chance?
We have it in the file. It might be in the Dropbox, Judge.
All right, let me check that.
But if not, we do have 2 pictures in the file.
All right. I don't, let me see here. I don't see it in the Dropbox, but if you say we have it in the file.
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Valdivia, we have copies, is what they're telling me. So you qualify then for $10 dismissal, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
All
also
right.
have the paper right here if you'd like me to show that to you.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, that's the receipt. Oh, okay. All right,
Yes.
very good. All right, so it's going to be a $10 dismissal. You can either stop by and make that payment in person, or you can mail it into the court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and do that by next Friday so we can close out the case.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, any questions before you go?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. All right, and then there's someone that's going to be logging in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, Carol Wolfson.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call the docket.
Okay.
I have Cristobal Andres Karstens. Cristobal Andres Karstens. Colby Steve Christopher. Colby Steve Christopher. Amparo Diana Coronado. Amparo Diana Coronado. Christian A. de la Garza. Christian A. de la Garza. Daniel Esquivel. Daniel Esquivel. Lawrence Daniel Garcia. Lawrence Daniel Garcia. Jesus Etuquio Garza. Jesus Etuquio Garza. Jacqueline Nina Hartwig. Jacqueline Nina Hartwig. Alejandro Tapia Hernandez. Alejandro Tapia Hernandez. Ahmed Mohammed Hussein. Ahmed Mohammed Hussein. Dana Michelle McDonald. Dana Michelle McDonald. Dina Antoinette Rodriguez. Dina Antoinette Rodriguez. Araceli Roman. Araceli Roman. Miguel Sanchez. Miguel Sanchez. Ty Cerebrin. Ty Cerebrin. Paul David Vela. Paul David Vela. And Nicholas Luke Wyndham. Nicholas Luke Wyndham.
Did you call 13, Judge?
That's the one you said came in?
Oh, Hussein is the one that came in. The
Oh.
default.
So Malik Tarjwar Jarrett. Malik Tarjwar Jarrett.
Look at this
Right, and
license.
you said,
I need help bad.
Ahmed Mohammed Hussein took care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Dixon.
Judge, I've got a plea bargain on Johnny Espino.
Okay, go ahead.
Speeding, no contest plea, 180 days deferred disposition, a fine of $200 with $50 down by the end of next week.
Okay,
Suspended license, no contest plea, 180 days deferred disposition, a fine of $355, a payment plan with $50 down by the end of next week,
okay,
and get license within 5.5 months. And then dismiss the insurance ticket. He says he has insurance now, and he's dying for help on getting this license. And there's not much we can do, but I told him to go get it. So
okay. All right. Okay, Mr. Espino, you spoke with the prosecutor and he just laid out the plea bargain. Do you understand the terms?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it sounds like you're going to be on a deferral, but in order for these to be successfully completed and closed out at the end of the 6 months, you need to take care of your payments. All right.
Okay.
And then
Yes,
get
ma'am.
that driver's license within the next 5.5 months. So it's up to you now to contact DPS, see what they're going to require of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They will be able to tell you if you need to retest, if you need to pay a reinstatement fee, if you need to clear tickets somewhere, they'll be able to help you out, okay? But you need to contact them to figure out how you can get that driver's license out of the suspended status, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great
You have
one.
$100 due next Friday, okay?
I can pay it this Friday.
All right, very good. All right, you're
Okay.
free to go.
Thank you. I can go.
If you don't have any more questions, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye, miss.
All right, Mr. Dixon, you have Mr. Matthew Gauna.
Okay.
All right, he's pled not guilty and has requested a jury trial.
Okay. Oop, all right.
All right, and Carol Wolfson is supposed to call in.
Yes, she was at the window. And
Okay.
Esther told her to call in. I just sent Esther a message to call her, send her the phone number to tell her to sign it, log in or call in.
She can call in if she's having trouble with Zoom. So,
Okay.